This new toy, so we're gonna open it today. So my dad got it for me when we were outside. Something came. It was for me, and we're gonna see. Let's see how to build things. So today we got a special toy. It's about fixing. It's a little bit hard, but I'm gonna think. So let's see what's inside. Oh, what's this? Something awesome. Let's see what pieces are inside. New toys out. Whoa. And let's see what it is. Oh. Look at all of the pieces, guys.
No, my thing. Oh, I too.
There's so many you can fix. So we have bolts and the nuts and the wrench. And also the screws. So let's start building, guys. So look, guys, there's so many pieces. Also these, like they're 4 tires. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see, are there more pieces? Yep, there's more. We have screwdriver and more screws. And they're like circles in there. So we also have a construction. Let's see how we can build the things. Okay. So, oh, this seems a little hard.
Oh.
But we can try, guys. So I wanted to build this car, so we need the first pieces. We're gonna need these square things and the screws. So first we found the screws. We need 2 screws and 1 of this, and the second one is right here. So we need 2 of these and 2 screws. So let's see. We're gonna put it in here. So we found these pieces. So now let's see how to put them together in step 2. So we're gonna need these 2 screws and these. So sometimes you need a screwdriver to connect this. So it's a little bit hard, but it's really easy. You just have to connect the piece. So we need to find 3 of these pieces. We need this, and this, and this thing. So we found the 3 pieces. So now let's see what to do on step 2. Okay. This is easy. You need this to connect in this. So I'm following the first part. So we're done with this part. So now we're gonna do the second part. So first, we're gonna need these 2. Put the 2 things and 1. This is the part we need. And this. So we already have the parts we need. Also the part this. So we got these parts, the small and the big. And 2 of these. And the 3 nuts, the small nuts. So they're in here. Oh, I found them. We got 1, 2, and the last one is here. They're the same, gray and orange. So we continue to build our car. So now we gotta find these pieces. So let's find them. We need 2 of these, and there are 2 nuts. So we gotta find them. Oh, here they are. 1, 2, and 2 nuts. Screws in the nuts. The nuts are already easy to find. So I found 1 and 2 is after. So the instructions saying we have to put